Have you ever eaten sushi? Have you ever been to London? Today we learn how to talk about past experiences. Let's go. Welcome back to Learn Languages. I'm your English teacher. In English, we use the present perfect to talk about experiences. Have you ever is one of the most useful conversation starters. Let's learn it step by step. Section 1. How to form have you ever? The formula is simple. Have you ever plus past participle. Have you ever eaten sushi? Have you ever visited a foreign country? Have you ever swum in the ocean? To answer, yes, I have, or no, I haven't, or give more detail. Yes, I have. I went to Japan last year. Important, use past simple when you give the detail. I have visited France. Present perfect, no time given. I visited France in 2019. Past simple with a time. Section 2. Common irregular past participles. You must know these for this tense. Go, gone. Have you ever gone camping? See, seen. Have you ever seen the northern lights? Eat, eaten. Have you ever eaten snails? Be, been. Have you ever been to America? Drive, driven. Have you ever driven a sports car? Ride, ridden. Have you ever ridden a horse? Win, won. Have you ever won a competition? Fly, flown. Have you ever flown business class? Practice each one. Say it out loud. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Section 3. Sharing your experiences. Use these phrases to talk about your life. I've never, something you haven't done yet. I've always wanted to, a dream experience, Lowell bliss. That was the best experience of my life. I'll never forget the time once to start a story about the past. Example, I've never flown in a helicopter, but I've always wanted to. This sounds completely natural and native. Recap. Structure. Have you ever plus past participle. Answer. Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Key participles. Gone, seen, eaten, been, driven, won, flown. Extra phrases. I've never. I've always wanted to. Your challenge, share one experience with I have and one dream with I've always wanted to. If this lesson helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.